Hi, this is Dave Adams with the E-mini Trading Professor System. Boy, I tell you what, I took it on the chin today on what I thought were two very good setups, and they just didn't work out. And gosh, my pride was hurt. But you know, that's the way the market works. Make sure you read our disclaimer carefully. There's some important and pertinent information contained right there. Well, if you look at the chart today, it looks like it's probably one of the easiest days ever to trade, and I was able to snatch a defeat from the jaws of victory. Started out with I thought we were a nice little uptrend, had a little retracement, and we started back up again. Got some good crosses here, and on the very next bar, this thing just plunged and stopped me out. 12 tick loss. I mean, I was shocked, and it was a good setup. It just didn't work out. And just to prove how stubborn I can be, I had the same thing happen here. The market finally resumed the trend. Thought we had a retracement, had an up bar. I thought I'd jump back in on the trend, and it fell out of bed again. And I finally got out as quick as I could with a one tick gain, and was happy to do that. So by about 9:30, I was pretty shook up. I thought, well, I don't know a darn thing about trading. And I kind of just took a break all the way through here, and then I finally had a pretty nice trade at the end of the day that brought me back to just about even for the day. I tell you what, it was a tough day for the old boy today, and it shouldn't have been. I think I just made it tough, and you'll have days like that. It's discouraging, but I'll be back at it tomorrow, and smiling and ready to go. But wow, I took it on the chin today. Okay, there's how not to trade. Well, as you can see, even some, what I consider high probability trades, I was sure that, that those retracements were over and the market had started, and resumed the trend, and only to find out differently. And that'll happen. And it was one of those days where I just kind of escaped the skin of my teeth there. As I've always said, I show my winners and losers, and today was just barely eked out a gain, and I was happy to do that. The market can be very unpredictable sometimes, and it fooled me twice today. So we want you to come visit us at learntotradeandinvest.com. There's a whole bunch of hyphens in there. Our system is designed, to really educate beginning traders, and if you're an intermediate trader struggling a little bit, maybe a fresh approach might be something you want to take a look at, although today's performance certainly wouldn't encourage anybody. But you know what? I feel strongly, it's good to see, you're going to have days like that, and I want you to see that I have them too. And things just did not work out for me today the way I wanted them to. Hope that helps, and have a great day.